Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this phenomenal Vauxhall Insignia SRI VX Line Nav Sports Tourer. This vehicle is currently done 38,857 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour satin steel grey, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you do have very stylish LED daytime running lights that really complement the vehicle throughout the day. There are also fog lamps, which is great for when the visibility is poor. Now around to the side, it does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your SRI badge in there underneath the indicator, and you do have body coloured door mirrors. Now let's take a look inside to the rear. You have very smart cloth seats with nice part leather as well. You do have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And there are also rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably as well. You do have roof rails up top, so you can add things like a roof box, for example, to increase storage. And open up the boot here. You do have a very nice amount of space. You have this very handy boot load cover, which will keep the carpet nice and protected. You do have tethering points, you can tighten your loads down if you need to. It's very handy if you don't want anything moving around while you're on the go. You have a handle up top that allows you to easily close the tailgate. Now let's take a look inside at the front of the vehicle. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a very nice gloss black finish across the dashboard. You have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have a nice armrest there as well in the centre console with some storage in. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Vauxhall has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, it's very handy when parking, for example, such as on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users. It's very easy to make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. You have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road. You can make adjustments to the brightness of your dash dials. You have buttons as well for your front and rear fog lamps. You can also adjust the height of the headlights there as well. Now here on the steering wheel, you do have some controls. This makes adjustments to your digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can see a variety of information such as your digital speedometer and miles to the gallon. You have your wiper stalk there. You can flick through to change this. You can also put on your auto sensing wipers very easily. You have your rain sense on there. This will detect how heavy the rain is and automatically adjust the speed of the wipers. You do have your indicator stalk there. And here you do have a button for your heated steering wheel, so you can keep your hands nice and warm while you're on the go. It's very nice with it being leather. It gets extremely cold during winter. You do have cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time and allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. You have a button here for making adjustments to your collision alert. You can change the distance that it will alert you. You have your touchscreen infotainment system here where you can access DAB, FM and AM radio. With DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clear. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB and auxiliary inputs, and there is also Bluetooth as well. Of course, with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls. You do have your phone projection with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps such as music streaming servicing to access all of your favourite playlists. You have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow and understand, making it very easy to find new destinations if you're heading in a direction. You have your settings here. You can access vehicle settings such as your collision/detection systems. You have your forward collision system, which can alert and brake you. This will detect your potential hazards and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You have your lane changing alert, which will detect any potential hazards in your blind spot. and will alert you so you don't change lane and collide with other road users. You do have dual zone climate control, allowing the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, allowing everyone in the vehicle to travel comfortably. You do have some manual controls, and you have this touchscreen system as well, where you can make adjustments to the direction of airflow and also sync the temperatures up as well, so it's all the same throughout the vehicle if you wish it to be. You do also have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera. This gives you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you might not be able to see. It just makes you more wary of how close you are to things. Your parking sensors are displayed on the display in between the dials there. You have some cup holders there. You also have your button for your lane keeping assist, along with your parking sensors and your start stop. You have your manual gear selector there as well. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall Insignia SRI VX line Nav Sports Tourer. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.